Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making a safe copy of the document so you can experiment without risk. Once done, check Review Right Arrow Restrict Editing, and if protection is active, click Stop Protection and enter the password. This releases most selection locks. Next, make sure Track Changes is off and accept or reject pending edits, because tracked edits can block insertion points. Make sure to save after each change so you can revert if something unexpected happens. Once protection and tracked changes are addressed, dive into embedded controls that often lock selections. Open the Developer tab and enable Design Mode to remove or unlock content controls. These are common culprits for restricted selection. If objects are grouped or anchored to a protected section, select them and choose Ungroup, then adjust wrap and anchor settings. You can also use Reveal Formatting, Shift plus F1, to find odd direct formats or field codes. Clear them so Word treats the area as editable text again. Finish by saving your changes and restarting Word so internal caches reset. Many locks disappear after a clean session. If the selection remains locked, copy the document content without final paragraph mark into a new blank file to eliminate underlying corruption. Make sure to check external factors. Shared edits, OneDrive sync conflicts, or file permissions can enforce remote locks. If nothing works, open Word in safe mode, run Office Repair, and then reapply your intended edits when the file is confirmed editable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.